Storm Gerrit. Snow and heavy rain cause chaos and flooding in the UK. A major incident has been declared in parts of Scotland, where drivers were stranded by snowstorms following the arrival of Storm Gerrit. Six plows and 3 tractors were deployed in an attempt to rescue cars and a broken-down lorry from the A9 and surrounding roads. There are more than 100 flood warnings in place in parts of the UK as the storm disrupts seasonal celebrations. The West Midlands and East Midlands are expected to face the worst of the rising floodwaters. There are 102 flood warnings in force in England, particularly in the west from Carlisle to Bournemouth, with a further 26 in Wales and 15 in Scotland. Gerrit will continue to bring strong winds and heavy rain to many parts of Britain on Wednesday. Yellow warnings for wind and rain are in place across much of the UK. By Wednesday afternoon, at least 18 flights had been cancelled due to the storm. A flooded railway line at Bowling Station in Bowling, Scotland.